Okay, now we're ready to test the tracker. We've got it all set up. We recommend testing it indoors before taking it outdoors so that you can work in an environment that's a little bit more conducive to testing it. And then later, after it's all set up, you can take it outdoors to make sure it operates in the sun. I'm going to start by hooking up the tracker cable. Our tools now. Bring in our control unit. Plug in the control unit, AC power. We pull out our palm top, which will run it, and we're ready to begin. First thing we'll do is add power. Turn on the palm top, the filer button will bring us up to the menu, and we will tab down until we get to qb.exe and hit enter. With Quick Basic open, we'll now load the program. Alt F open. Tab brings this cursor down, and we're going to choose mod_e.bas, which is the tracker program. Enter, which will load the program. To start the program, we do an Alt Run Start. It's asking us for the date and time. That's the correct date. So we say no. We will adjust the time. Oh, the time is set, so we say no. Latitude is 41.5. Longitude is 71.3125. This is in west. If you're in the eastern hemisphere, you need to adjust for west. Yes, if it prompts, are you correct? Say yes. The tracker will begin to move. We'll start moving down until it hits the mechanical stop, approximately 9 degrees. We'll then continue to drive it down for some time. If we've hit the stop, we can do a quick shortcut by braking the program, control brake. The cursor is up here. If we do an F6, we move the cursor to the immediate window, and we can type go to space 226, which is the line in the code that will then bring us to the next. We return, and it comes up. Comes back to level. At this point, we would expect the 0 mark to be on the 0 mark. Now it will ask you, the prompt is estimate the position to the home position. It was shipped in the home position, so you're already around to the north with your tracker. You could say it's there, but just to show you an example, one test to do is to say -90 and send it 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. And it's gone 90 degrees as expected. Now to finish that test, we'll put it back. The prompt is, have you reached the home position? We enter no, N for no, and then we'll put in 90 degrees. positive 90 degrees will send it back. It was the negative 90 degrees that sent it the 90 degrees to the east. You don't need to do this test, but it is a good test to see how everything's running and assembled, and let you know that it is moving in all directions. You could just say, when you're at the home position, like we'll do next, is just simply, yes, I'm at the home position, which will start the program on the sun tracking route. Okay, we've reached the home position again. The prompt on the screen is, have you reached the home position? And I'm going to enter yes. Now what's going to happen is the program is calculating where the sun is. You can see right now the sun has a azimuth of minus 69, an elevation of 51. So it's going to go 51 degrees high, which will be seen on the vernier dial. And now it's going to rotate the azimuth. The azimuth is actually from south, so it's going to be minus 69 degrees, or just under 69 degrees from south. After it pauses, it resets, it catches up for the pulses that were lost during the rotation. And as you can see, the tracker is now about 70 degrees off of the south line, which is the azimuth that it was predicted, and the elevation is at the approximately 50 degrees. Now we're ready to go to the roof to do the testing, to put it up in insulation. I always like to bring it back to the home position before I carry it.